Hey everyone, so today I'm going to bring you to Double Check Lilies. They produce lilies in Netherlands, so are you ready for a tour? Okay, let's go. Hey, so now I'm doing some bicycle through the nursery, Lily's nursery. So we want to catch people working, so let's go for a tour. So can you tell me more about the company, about the history of the company?
Oh, this is Double Check Lily. Double Check Lily make lilies for the better quality for the shops. Yeah, and nice and big. Double Check Lily starts 30 years ago.
Okay.
30 years a family business. For me by myself, I start 7 years ago.
Okay.
And I grow in the business, and my colleague grow out of the business. We try to do is the best possible quality. Quality first. That's our thing. Quality first.
That's very important. Thank you. Do you have maybe something special, one special variety that you produce, maybe more, or maybe it's more special for something?
We have a really special one.
Yeah.
That's Turega,
Okay.
and that's Oriental. It's a white one.
Okay.
But normally all the Oriental smells.
Yes.
Yeah,
Smell.
yeah. But the Turega don't smell.
Okay.
That's the only one.
So for people, allergic people, it's maybe nice. Also,
Yes.
and they can have lilies at home.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
That's interesting. This is the variety that we talked just before, the Turega lilies. This flowers is a big white flowers without a smell. So for allergic people, that's perfect. This is the Turega lilies. Look at this.
A lot of varieties have their own name. Yes.
We have a cat for ecological reasons. The cat eats mites and protect the lilies for the production. And the cat is also very lovely. So I'm just walking through the nursery. It's huge, so we have to take some bikes sometimes to go to the point A to the point B. Here they just harvest the lilies, so you can see it's completely empty.
50% is LA, 50% is Oriental. LA is in the full ground, Oriental is in the boxes. -2, then it can stay here for 10, 12 months maximum.
It's a long way in the greenhouse. It's a lot of work, but it's good for health. It's healthy to eat. It's healthy to walk, so we walk after the bicycle. Do you have one tip care how to take care of our lilies at home? If there is something that we don't know.
What is important with the lily in the glass, you must always start with clean glass.
Okay.
No
First-
bacteria, no nothing.
Okay.
It's really important.
Very clean vase and then.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you put them in, it's nice for 2-3 weeks. It is super, but no bacteria. That's important.
That's the secret. The company produces 20 million of stems per year. They produce 12 million of stems of Asian lilies and 8 million of stems of Oriental lilies. Hello. So here we can find a new variety. It's called the Chardonnay. It's not a simple lily. You can see when it's open, it's 4 times petal more in the flowers. So it's big, it looks like a rose. So that's already the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed to watch it. If you have any idea, please comment below. It will be a pleasure to read what you want to see for the next videos. And just want to say see you next week. Take care.